Hi everyone, this is Twiggy. So today I'm going to show you how to make Halloween themed earring in batch. So Halloween is just right around the corner. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a small business out of our M1 machine. I'm also going to show you how you can make some products in batch and sell them on websites so you can make some money. So here's all the things that we need to prepare. We've got laptop, M1 machine, riser base, air assist, 2mm black acrylic, metallic connectors and hooks, and material pin. So as you can see, right now we have the 2mm of black acrylic, and this one has cover on. I would suggest you to do not take this cover off because this can protect the surface of the acrylic. And if your acrylic is slightly bended, don't worry about that because we have this very strong magnetic material pin to help you flatten the surface of the acrylic. Put the base plate into the bottom layer of the machine and put this back. So this is how it looks like after you're down setting with the air assist. Make sure you put the honeycomb on the top layer of the machine. And right now we're going to put the 2mm black acrylic inside the machine. Make sure the laser light is touching the surface of your material. And now we're going to use the material pin to pin your material. Make sure that you don't start from the top left because that's where the machine starts. And we're going to pin them on the other 3 sides. And now we're going to close the lid. So right now we're going to connect our computer with our M1 machine using the USB right here, okay? And then we're going to press start. Turn on the air assist. So after we're finishing setting our machine, we're going to come to our computer, to our software. So first things, I want you to open the xTool Creative Space software. And you make sure that your machine is connected with our computer. And you're going to go to Project, and close this window right here. You're going to open this pumpkin earring that we're making today. Okay, and you're going to hit Start Project. As you can see, it's already put in array, but so right now I'm going to teach you how to make things in batch. So I'm going to delete the rest of them for now, and you're going to choose the one on the top left. And you're going to go to Array to choose Create Array, okay? So here's how many things that you can make. So today we're going to make 12 of them, so which is 4 columns and 3 rows. And you're going to choose spacing into 5. There we go, and hit OK. Okay, so right now I'm going to go through this step by step. First, you want to choose the open plane, okay? So the open plane right here. And I'm going to select all of this. I'm going to move around a little bit. There we go. Second thing is that you want to choose the outer measure, okay? Just hit the outer measure. There we go. Very good. Okay, so right now you want to choose cut. And you want to put the power into 100%. And we will run this at the 3 millimeters per second for speed, okay? Now we're going to go to Process. We're going to go ahead and hit Start on our computer. And then we're going to hit the Start on our machine. Wow, it literally finished in the blink of an eye. So right now I'm going to open the machine and show you the finished product. Wow, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. Wow. I'm going to take all of them out. So as you can see right here, this one has cover, right? So right now I'm going to peel the cover off and show you how clean the cut is. So right now we're going to take the covers off. So as you can see, the cut is super clean and neat. Right? So right now, we're going to use the metallic connectors and hooks to make our earrings. Zhang, the Halloween themed earrings are complete. Isn't that very special? And I know for some small business owner out there, you might have some customer requesting some special design. You can also put their name on it. So that's going to be very special for your customer. And also, as I show you today, it's very easy to make things in batch using our software. So you can also make like bookmark, like bandage or anything like that, right? So that's all for today's tutorial, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao, ciao!